Simon, yeah, good. What's that sound?
You're a fucking dickhead. You're a dickhead, man. Fucking
Hindi yan, yes.
Oh my gosh, Dan, I'm a rock star!
Out, yeah, out. Why would you laugh? Okay.
It's my choice.
Yeah.
I'm emotionally stressed. I'm emotionally downcast. I am so confused.
B.
Wakanda forever!
Your house.
Bastard! Bro! Fuck you.
Wait, how did you guys not laugh? He's not even paying attention. That's why he's not laughing.
That's it. It's,
No.
Back to yourself.
Everyone got their own
Go.
thing.
No. Don't use your phone.
That's a distraction.
You know it's a distraction.
Go on.
I was one that did it last time.
Yeah, it's you guys.
Yeah, you gave me money, but I use your money for something else.
Just slap and leave.
I feel like next one, if someone even laughs without showing teeth, they need to be out.
Really? Go on, Chef.
Shit. Shit did that.
That's good. Try again.
You're not even paying attention.
What do you call a black man in America? What do you call a black man in America? A nigga.
If I was meant to make a nationality, oh, my head, no
That's the sound of the voice.
B.
That should have been your ass.
Few. Say it.
First, second, third.
No, continue. You still laugh.
I actually don't have anything.
Yeah.
To death my song. That's the only thing that's on my mind. So let me just go. You guys continue. Put me to death my song. So
I know.
let's go.
Can I make them laugh?
You didn't bring me there.
No, this is the last round.
Ow! That's painful.
That's not. She did smile. She said it's painful.
crying
Painful. No. Painful is not smile. D. Your turn. No sound. Don't touch.
I think now we